guys, Willie and Murfitt here, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's episode, it's going to be short and sweet. I bought myself a new little gadget.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
So, the other day I went onto Facebook Marketplace and I just did a bit of window shopping for garage tools and toolboxes and stuff, just as I do on a day-to-day basis. And this product came up locally and I thought, do you know what? That's a really good idea. So, I went and bought it and today I'm going to put it together. Okay, so I've got myself a new angle grinder because the one I've been using down here decided to pack up. And you have to sort of hold the wire in, which is becoming a bit unsafe. So I've got myself a new angle grinder, and I've also got this. Now this is a tool that I'm looking to get a bench grinder with a wire wheel attachment to it, but this came up on Facebook the other day, nice and cheap, and I thought it might be an idea to try it and see how it goes. So it is an angle grinder stand, as you can see here. You attach the angle grinder into it, and then I can have the wire wheel attachment to my grinder, and I should be able to clean some parts up. So, let's get this out of the box and see what it's all about. Okay, so instructions wise, this is the instructions and it's all numbered, but there's no numbers on the parts, and yeah, so number one, fasten saddle to the base plate. What's a saddle? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the picture on the box, and hopefully that's going to be as good as I'm going to get it. If you turn to the back of the book, the instructions are here. Bugger. Let's change it up there. Right, that's all together. Best advice I can suggest is to read the instructions, because just making it up and winging it doesn't work. So, let's give it a whirl. I've got my ear defenders. Let's try this out. Perfect. Right, this new tool works a treat. That's it for today. I will see you guys next time. If you have enjoyed this content, as always, please hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. And I'll see you next time.